Wearing custom shoes for 1 year.
Welcome to my channel. I'm HJ. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe.
I did shaving cream customs inspired by Angelus and Jake. My main goal for these customs was to see how well they hold up. I used the best paints and finisher, Angelus and LK. I did a different video on that comparing them, but these are the best. Here is how they are a full year later. What you're seeing right now is the before and here is the after. Yikes. That specific side I put a resist on, totally forgot about it, so it did not absorb properly into the threading like the other side did. Before you can see how the leather dye and the paint just come together beautifully, but then afterwards, the leather dye just seems to vanish. I'll impress you with my linguistic skills. Using proper terminology, before is very purpley, after is not very purpley. The areas that I painted remain the same before and after, so the paint held up really well, but the leather dye pretty much is all gone. I think Helen Keller and Stevie Wonder can even see the difference on these shoes between the before and after. Normally, I would think that it has to do with the leather dye. The leather dye is not good. However, I do clean my shoes, so I did scrub my shoes about every 2 to 3 months to make sure that they're nice and beautiful and clean. I guess it is possible that I scrubbed my shoes too hard and removed some of the leather dye. If it was that I scrubbed the leather dye off, why did it not also remove the leather paint? I honestly have no idea. I would love to hear what you guys think. Keep my experiment in mind when you are using leather dye on your custom. So that back heel again, I used a resist. That's why it looks yucky, but the other side looks half decent. If you crease your shoes, the paint is going to come up ever so slightly. It wasn't a huge deal. All the painted sides, though, held up insanely well. Takeaway message, paint fantastic, leather dye, be cautious. Comment letting me know how your customs have held up for a full year. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy creating.